القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah. Welcome to lesson number 8. Lesson number 8 is going to cover one of the elementary rules. The elementary rule of al-Ghunnah. The Ghunnah, as you know, we covered it a little bit in the Makharij. But the Ghunnah that we're going to talk about here is actually focusing on the nasal sound. So when it's mushaddada. So let's go straight on to the definition. The definition is the Ghunnah is the nasal sound which comes from the nose. And the Ghunnah is intrinsic in the two letters of Mim and Noon as covered in the Makharij. This is true of any language, whether it's M or N. Try to say Na or Ma while holding your nose closed. If you pinch your nostrils and try to say this like Na, Ma, you can't say it. It's very, very difficult. So this is intrinsic into Noon and Mim. Now, when reading the glorious Quran, the nasal sound is emphasized when the Noon or the Mim has a shadda on it. So with this Ghunnah, there will be a strong, meaning a longer Ghunnah, and we'll talk about the different levels of Ghunnah later in this course. But for now, all you have to know is that this Noon mushaddada or Mim mushaddada has the strongest and the longest Ghunnah of all of them. So let's take the example here. It's inna, amma, thumma, minni, minni. So we can say that we stay on the sound. Why? Because the shadda indicates that there are two noon or two mim over here. So therefore, it is extra long when we are saying this. Inna, amma, thumma, minni. And that is the Ghunnah. Very, very simple rule. You should go on to the exercise here and read the Surah 114 as well, just to practice the Ghunnah and read this to your teacher. They will then authorize you to go on to lesson number 9, inshallah.
Salam Alykum. Be sure to download your free implementation workbook. We go through it step by step. All the videos correspond with it. We have laid it out very strategically so you can master Quranic Tajweed and Quranic Mastery and implement it while you go along. Okay, so be sure to download this and it will help you on your journey. It's free to download. The link should be in the description. Assalamu alaikum. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like this video so we know you enjoy it, as we can make more. Please write a comment and tell us what you thought about the lesson. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.